Hi everyone, welcome back to CeADAR Lighthouse AI Digital Twin Project channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey into the world of healthcare, exploring the cutting-edge development in AI Digital Twin. In an era where technology is rapidly transforming healthcare, staying informed about the latest advancement is crucial. AI Digital Twin is one such advancement that's making waves in this industry. So why should we care? Well, understanding this technology and these applications can give you a picture of future of healthcare. A future where personalized care is the normal, where doctors can predict health outcomes and where clinical trials are more efficient than ever before. In this video, we will give you a quick look at some interesting cutting-edge companies that are the forefront of this revolution, using AIDT to change the way we approach health and wellness. First up, we have S3 Connected Health. This company is a specialist digital health partner for life science companies. They provide digital health solutions and digital therapeutics for pharma companies, and connected medical devices and solutions for medtech companies. The Athenia platform is used to create and operate regular digital health solutions that transform patients' experience and outcomes. They have worked over 100 programs in more than 50 countries across 20 therapy areas for over 20 years. Truly impressive. Next, we have Twin Health. They use advanced whole-body digital twin technology to help heal disrupted metabolism, which is the root cause of type 2 diabetes. The program combines this technology with a dedicated care team that monitors your sensor data, offers personalized recommendations, and supports you on your health journey. The precision treatment program has resulted in significant outcomes, including a 67% rate of type 2 diabetes reversal with 2 months of starting this program. That is a game changer. Our third company is Neural, a French startup that designed medical imaging software for vascular disease. The AI solution enables augmented 3D reconstruction of the patient-specific digital vascular twin from CT angiographies. The first decision-making support software provides relevant and accurate information for aortic aneurysms. This software is currently being deployed in clinical and hospitals, simplify the decision process and the patient follow-up for healthcare professionals. A great example of how AIDT can support earlier treatment decisions. Moving on, we have PredSearch. This company develops predictive software solutions for cardiovascular interventions. They use digital simulation solutions in medicine to make minimal invasive procedures safer for patients and more cost-effective for the community. They offer a patient-specific digital twin to test different intervention strategies and determine the best fit for patients. The service also boosts product development for medtech companies, allowing for early de-risking and prediction of in vivo performance, a truly innovative approach. They make use of medical images like CT scan to generate 3D modeling of patient-specific anatomy. Users can then choose a medical device among our large database of digital models and run automated numeral simulation of the intervention. Simulation accuracy is ensured by taking into account material property and the physical of the medical devices and organs, interacting one with the others. Next up is QBio, a US-based startup developing the QBio Gemini, the first clinical whole-body digital twin platform. The platform will soon be powered by the BBio Mark I, which will be the world's first fully autonomous scanner. The Mark I is designed to deliver unparalleled speed, safety, and comfort, making it the most accessible scanner ever developed. Their mission is to make the physical of the future accessible to everyone, a bold vision for the future of healthcare. CureBio uses digital twin to provide personalized health assessment based on individual biology, life cycle, and environment. The platform enables early detection of health issues, allowing for preventative actions and more efficient treatment. And CureBio promotes transparency and control over personal health data, empowering individuals to make informed decisions about their health. Our sixth company is Revolutionizing, a German startup transforming the medical devices development and clinical trials with digital patient twins. They introduce V-patients, enabling medical device developers to perform development and testing in a virtual environment, thereby accelerating development, reducing risks and expense and regulatory burden. The end-to-end digital twin and simulation solution is based on an ever-expanding database of real clinical data, a great example of how AIDT technology can transform clinical trials. Next on our list is Virtual Health, a Canada company that provides a platform to simplify care coordination. Virtual is revolutionary digital twin coordination technology is designed for healthcare, linking every piece of information about the patient in all IT systems to create a complex dynamic profile of each individual. Deliver personalization at population scale through AI automation, and empower patients to achieve the best outcomes. The digital twin orchestration platform connects all the way care is delivered so the right resources go to the right people at the right time. They have served over 3.5 million patients, saved over 18 million, avoided over 2,000 days of administrative work, and giving back over 113,000 days to patients and caregivers. Truly remarkable. Our eighth company is Predictive, a US-based startup that uses advanced DNA testing to create a DNA-based digital twin. They uncover what is hidden in your genes to manage diseases and simulate drugs response through an interactive virtual replica of you. They decode 100% of your genes, delivered as an interactive and dynamic platform with regular updates of the results, and integrated with your health history, lifestyle, and behavior. From this picture, they screened all 20,000 genes against the 22,000 plus known genetically related diseases and streamed for 100 plus medications and supplements, a truly personalized approach for healthcare. And next up is GE Healthcare Command Center. They offer a digital twin that visualizes a hospital as a safe environment to test changes in system performance. This allows hospital leaders to play what if with system dynamics. By creating a digital twin of your hospitals and the related ambulatory service, potential changes in operational strategy, capacities, staffing, and the care delivery model can be tested to objectively determine which action to take. The digital twin is built for dynamic representations of hospital operations, a great tool for hospital management. And the last but not least, Unlearn AI. They develop generative machine learning methods to predict individual health outcomes and accelerate technical innovation. They create patient digital twins that simulate individual health outcomes. The AI-powered digital twin predict how a patient's health may change over time and simulate what-if scenarios to compare patients' health outcomes and estimate relevant treatment effects. They are used in AI-powered clinical trials that aim to reach full enrollment faster and put patients first. A fantastic example of how AI digital twin can accelerate clinical drug development. We visit 10 companies that are utilizing the power of AIDT in healthcare, from improving patient outcomes and streamlining operations to accelerating clinical trials. These companies are the forefront of the healthcare revolution. We have seen how Twin Health uses AIDT to personalize treatment plan, and how GE Healthcare Command Center uses them to improve resources allocation and patient care, and how Nuriel uses them to enhance surgical precision and efficiency. These are just a few examples of the transformative potential of AIDT. Looking to the future, we can expect to see even more innovative application of AIDT in healthcare. As this technology continues to evolve, it has the potential to make healthcare more personalized, more efficient, and more effective than ever before. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about AIDT, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more insight into the latest development in AIDT. Thank you for watching.